How to fix the Bambu Lab A1 mini printer not showing up on PC, USB and network detection. So the fixed one, make sure the printer is added to Bambu Studio. Open the Bambu Studio on your PC. Go to printer configuration instead of the device tab. Then click add printer. Now select Bambu Lab A1 mini from the list. Now complete the setup and check whether the printer now appear. Fix to verify both devices are on the same network. The printer and computer may be connected to the same local network. Check that your PC is connected to your home Wi-Fi. On the printer, open settings, then WLAN and network. Then confirm the printer is connected to the same network as your PC. If the printer is on a guest network or different LAN, VLAN, reconnect it to the main network. The fix 3, restart the printer and Bambu Studio. Turn off the A1 mini. Wait about 30 seconds. Turn the printer back on and allow it to reconnect to Wi-Fi. Now close and reopen Bambu Studio. Then check whether the printer is detected. Fix 4, disable your VPN or firewall temporarily. Disconnect any active VPN connection. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus network protection. Restart. Then you can restart Bambu Studio. Then check whether the printer appear. If it works, add Bambu Studio as an allowed application before re-enabling security software. Now the fix 5, reconnect the printer. If the connection information is corrupted, remove and add the printer again. In Bambu Studio, remove the existing printer. On the printer, verify its network setting. Add the printer again using the add printer. Now complete the pairing process and confirm the connection. And the fix 6, check LAN only mode if you are using it. So on the printer, open the setting, then WLAN/network. Now confirm LAN only mode is enabled if required. Verify the access code shown on the printer matches that one entered the Bambu Studio. If the code has changed, remove and re-edit the printer. Fix 7, update or reinstall Bambu Studio. So close the Bambu Studio, then download and install the latest version from the official Bambu Lab website. Now restart your PC and launch Bambu Studio and sign in again. Now re-add the printer if necessary. Goodbye and thanks for watching.